Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Genshin Impact Discord server in just a few simple steps. Open Google and click the search bar at the top of the page. The search bar activates, and your cursor appears inside, ready for you to type. Click the Genshin Impact official website in the search results to open the Discord invite page. The page loads showing the server name, member count, and online status. Click the Accept Invite button to join the server. Complete the HCAPTCHA by clicking the I am human checkbox. This verifies you're not a bot before Discord processes your join request. Discord verifies your request and loads the friends page briefly before redirecting you to the server onboarding flow. The onboarding welcome screen appears with the Genshin Impact server branding and background image. Click the Connect button to link your game account, then select your language. For this example, I'll select IT. Click Next to continue to the region selection screen. Choose your server region. For this example, I'll pick SAR, then click Next again. On the announcement screen, choose whether you want announcement notifications. For this example, I'll click Yes. You can always change notification preferences later in server settings. The rules screen appears asking if you've read the server rules. Click Yes, I have to confirm. This step is required before you can access any channels. Click Finish to complete the onboarding, and Discord loads the Genshin Impact server homepage with the channel list visible on the left. You'll now have access to all public channels and can start browsing the community. If you want to change your language or region preferences after joining, you can access them later through the server settings menu. The server onboarding questions are specific to Genshin Impact and help customize what content you see in your feed. If the Accept Invite button doesn't respond, make sure you're signed into Discord first. The invite won't work if you're logged out. And that's how to join the Genshin Impact Discord server. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.